Also got a can of loop white just in case I run out, because I'm painting quite a big piece. It's really not good. That is really frustrating.
So here we go, welcome back to another video. In this video there's definitely a bit of a fail going on, but every grey cloud has a silver lining or something along those lines. So what we have here is loop white spray paint, and we have the Montana WhiteOut, which is what I was supposed to be reviewing. That was basically what the video was mainly about, but I basically screwed up. You'll see that in a second how I screwed up, but as I said, every cloud has a silver lining, or whatever the saying is. So luckily I brought this along with me and it saved the day. So yeah, I will quickly go through the manufacturer spiel as I do, or what I'm trying to do with my spray paint review going forward. So basically the Montana has a massive marketing thing, it's going on forever and ever, a bit of text, and the loop one is very basic, short, sharp, to the point. So basically the Montana WhiteOut only comes in white. They also do a blackout, which is black. The gloss level is matte. It's obviously a 400ml spray paint, and the lacquer base is a nitro combi, and the valve system is high pressure, whereas the loop simply says it's acrylic, it's high coverage, sweet pressure, and it's a pro writing tool made in Italy. That's actually taken off the Alfresco website. So let's get into the video, and maybe I will do a little voiceover in places to give some context to the video. So you may have seen my previous video where I paint this copper chrome piece. In this video you're obviously going to see me reviewing 2 cans of white spray paint, and then in the next video you're going to see me reviewing the copper chrome used in this piece here. If you want to obviously catch the next one, then please subscribe, and if you want to understand this video a bit more, then go back and watch the previous video, then come back to this video. And yeah, right, now time to crack on with the white spray paint review.
So here we go, testing Montana WhiteOut, which is Montana black pressure, so it should be quite high pressure, fast output. Comes with an orange dot, fat cap, medium cap, whatever that is. I've also got a can of loop white just in case I run out, because I'm painting quite a big piece. But yeah, let's give it a go. See what it's like with the sneaky little black spacer thing.
So it was basically at this point where I realised I'd really screwed up. I've done this in the past with other brands of spray paint. It always pays to shake your cans up really well. It doesn't matter what brand it is. It generally gives better opacity, bloody bloody blah. But yeah, I've done a proper schoolboy error on this one.
I don't mean missing a bit of the chrome. I mean maybe not shaking the can enough. Oh no.
It was at this point that I decided that I need to kind of switch up the video. So luckily I had the loop white on board, so I've kind of made it into a comparison video with a bit of a comical twist.
Well, I wish I got that on film. Picked up the loop because the Monty is just not working. Should have shaken it up a bit more. Definitely blocked. Maybe I can unblock it with a nail or something. But anyway, flipped up to the loop now. So maybe this will be a loop white review rather than a Montana WhiteOut review. Or maybe I should just compare the two and make a bit of a jokey video, because that is a joke, although I should have shaken it up more. I was only telling someone the other day that they need to shake their cans up more, and then what do? But yeah, Oh well, live and learn. I've done that before. Long line. Is it straight-ish?
So as you can see in this section, the white is performing really well, covering the chrome really nicely. Yeah, valve's nice, works well with the NyQuil, works well without. Stock cap, which like a kind of similar to a yellow universal banana cap, yeah, works really well. Yeah, there's not really much bad I can say about the loop white, to be honest. It covers well, nice valve, and you don't have to shake it up a lot to get it to work like you do the Montana WhiteOut, and it's a lot cheaper. So the only real negatives that I know about loop spray paint is that it's not very good in sunlight. It's bad for UV degradation, so it fades in sunlight. Something else I've heard about loop, which I haven't really experienced myself, is it gets all gloopy if you keep the paint for a long time. So if you have a load of loop and you keep it in storage, the paint goes all gloopy and then the can's blocked. But yeah, I've only heard this from like a few people. So anyway, the only two negatives I know. So there we go, that is it for my spray paint review video of the Montana WhiteOut, which wasn't very successful, so I don't actually really know how it performs, but luckily I had the loop white on standby, which yeah, got me out of a bit of a bad situation. So I can't really recommend the loop over the Montana WhiteOut, apart from the fact it works and you don't need to shake it for like, you know, what you saw on the video, in this video, if I'd had the loop in my hand at that point in time, it would have worked. They had like orange dot fat cap on it, so yeah, it would have worked. This obviously is not the best when it comes to being versatile in especially cold conditions like it was that day. I think it was like 3 degrees at the time. So yeah, after this situation happened, I went home and I watched a video, and a guy on the video, I'm not going to say the channel, actually said that this actually is very similar to this, and it's cheaper, and it covers just as well, the valve's just as good, blah blah blah. I don't need to go on any more. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment, tell me about any experiences you've had with any brand of white spray paint, and maybe I'll review it in an upcoming video. And give this video a like, because that is really handy. Thumbs up, that's what it is on YouTube, isn't it? Anyway, right, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.